Why should we work towards creating a learning community that shares a clear set of values? Why should we promote an educational framework that aims to develop knowledgeable and caring people? Why should the learning experiences, resources, and the roles that we value align with the school's mission statement? There are many questions about the reasons why we do what we do. And when these questions include a why, we are most definitely looking at purpose. In this multimodal text, I would like to inquire into purpose, one of the new standards in the newly published Standards and Practices Guide. At the same time, I would like to establish connections between the practices in purpose and some of the changes in the new Language Acquisition Guide in the MYP. As I present these connections, I will ensure to use purpose as a conceptual lens to explain why these connections can be relevant. Both standards and practices and a subject guide are documents that help teachers to understand how to design, structure, and execute frameworks of learning that align with the IB mission statement and that promote international mindedness. In this ideal, this alignment also should promote intercultural understanding and respect in order to create a more peaceful world, which is one of the core values of the IB mission statement. Articulating a meaningful purpose for learning requires embracing all aspects of a holistic education in order to understand how the learning community, skills, inquiry, concepts, and our common humanity bring about opportunity to appreciate big and small details, just like when we look at different aspects of a multimodal text in order to understand what the author wants to communicate. Therefore, as we appreciate all of these values, we should be able to see how schools are fostering the attributes of the IB learner profile, which is the ultimate purpose of an IB education. The new standards encourage schools to design learning that goes beyond academics and that promote awareness of the individual and the immediate community. This is an aspect that is reflected on strand 3 of criteria A and B, which is an aspect that requires students to make connections between the information in the texts and their own experience. In these last thoughts, the purpose is all about authenticity, inclusivity, diversity, and lifelong learning. The role of a leader is crucial in the implementation of the new standards and practices, as well as a subject guide. A statement of inquiry in the classroom articulates the purpose of a unit in the same way that the school's mission statement articulates the values of the IB mission statement. This means that these changes also provide schools an opportunity to reflect on how their community is evolving. For this reason, as multimodal texts now become an integral part of the language acquisition course and the learning culture, their role in helping students explore social, personal, and cultural conventions and experiences connects with the practice that encourages a school to ensure that the community is aware of the learner profile attributes and show commitment to international mindedness, because an IB education is a path to international mindedness. So, as you embark in this new journey in teaching and learning and language acquisition in the MYP, make sure you remember that you are walking on Purpose Avenue.